Tourism Service Excellence Awards national champion in the individual category is Simone Folks.
Tourism Service Excellence Awards national champion in the organization category goes to Couple Sans-Souci.
The massage therapist and the 150-suite romantic resort captured the overall titles in the reintroduced Tourism Service Excellence Program Awards. The Tourism Service Excellence Program TSEP Awards was held recently in St. James. It was introduced in 2008 and later shelved for 4 years until Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett announced its return last year.
It is the people of Jamaica that has made this industry what it is, and therefore we should not hesitate at all in extolling their virtues and in rewarding them for the work that they have done.
So the TSEP Awards, with all its glitz and fanfare, was reintroduced under the management of the Tourism Product Development Company, with support from the Tourism Enhancement Fund and private entities. Nominations for the awards were accepted from the accommodation subsector, attractions, ground transport and tour operators, craft artisans, customs and immigration officers, and red cap porters, to name a few. The winners were selected from 150 nominees. It began with the regional winners. The individual finalists included a tour guide from Kingston.
Just like what Bob Marley would say, irie. It made me feel irie.
Negril-based scuba diving instructor, customs officer from Montego Bay, hotel lifeguard in Port Antonio, and a spa therapist in Ocho Rios. The regional winners among organizations were Jamaica Pegasus for Kingston, Couple Sans-Souci for Ocho Rios, Negril's Sunset at the Palms Resort, Trident Hotel for Port Antonio, Appleton Estate Rum Tour on the South Coast, and VIP attractions in Montego Bay. Simone Folks' road to individual island champion for Tourism Service Excellence began with her employment in the housekeeping department at Sandals 4 years ago and evolved with her promotion to spa therapist.
The nominees, they were all exceptional and amazing, and just to be a nominee meant so much. Imagine to win for the resort area. I am blown away, and I now know I am capable of so much, and I'm ready to take on everything.
Couple Sans-Souci won the organization title from an illustrious list of nominees.
They make me feel extremely happy, not for myself only, as an individual, but for the entire team, for the entire workers of Couple Sans-Souci. They are extremely happy to be able to be recognized, to be the national champion.
We are looking at ensuring that tourism becomes an avocation rather than a transition activity. So you don't come to tourism on your way to somewhere else. You come to tourism for a vocation with an income arrangement and a mobility and transitional activity that enables you to develop a career path. So you can be assured of sustainable employment in an industry which is a sustainable industry.